Africa with the sports. African unity, African peace, and development will highly be strengthened by active youth involving themselves in sports, and this will be only possible in attractive sports environments where youths can play. As in other continent, Africa has a good number of young men and women involving themselves in different sports activities, categories, sports from self-exercises, from home to large football teams on the grounds. Tanzania being one of the East African countries with a good number of people involving in sports, it needs the best sports equipment providers who will sell affordably and deliver the items on time. You know, currently, most people in country legends, apart from Dar es Salaam in Tanzania, have to travel to Dar es Salaam from the legends or use sometimes the agents to buy, to purchase, to buy the sports equipments, and then these sports equipments will have to be transported to the customers. This costs them in terms of time, money, and sometimes they incur the loss. Knowing that this is a problem and actually it needs the urgent solution, we have come with a solution which is the Sports Soft Shop, the online platform which connects the sports equipment sellers and the customers directly online, hence facilitating the availability of the sports equipment to the sport individuals and teams on time with customer satisfaction. For its success, Sportsoft Shop, just to add, will need customers but also will need workers. Hence, we are sure that this will improve people's lives while providing the decent jobs to unemployed. Now, here's how we are doing. How the sports soft shop is working. As you may see, the sports soft shop having the different products which are seen here are added. Now these are the demonstration products actually which we have added here. Our customers are priority. Sports Soft Shop facilitates the purchasing of the sports facilities online, hence it saves money and time. Okay, put your order today and let us save you on time with satisfaction. Okay, great. Now we want to put one order here. We want to buy one product as a demonstration. Now let's say maybe we are buying a Wilson traditional soccer ball, this one. I will have as a client to click this. Okay, after clicking, the purchasing cart will open like this. It shows that this Wilson traditional soccer ball is only USD 6.7 USD. Okay, now we will add this to cart. Okay, now the card will open here like this. I will have to, if I need one, I will just leave the same. But if I need, for example, let's say I need 5 balls, I will write here 5. Then I will check it out like this. After this, checking out, okay, good. Wow, you may see here the cart has opened, showing that I've ordered 5. I priced this and the sum amount of this one. Okay, what next? You may see here place an order. Now we'll have to press the order here. You may see here the number, the address, the city, Dar es Salaam, the zip code right here, email. I will have to write there. This is just a demonstration. The country, Tanzania, good. Okay, province, Ilala. Different delivery address I don't have. I will just leave it. Okay. Now to this, I will have to choose the payment method. Let's say I need cash on delivery. Okay, and here, for example, if I have any any notes about this order. Let's say, okay, I need this within 1 week. Okay, this is my message to the seller. Okay, good. Then I will continue like this. Let's see what's coming next. Okay, your order summary. So you may see here I've pressed the order and the summary is here from the amount required to purchase, okay, to the delivery price. Okay, here this is the address of the buyer and the notes. I need this within 1 week. Payment method is cash on delivery. Good. Then I will complete my order by checking it out finally. Okay, let us wait and see. Wow, thank you. Your order was received. Thank you for listening.